Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zalando app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you go down here, then you click here on app settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on notifications. Then come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification categories, click on it. Then you come to this list, you come here to your brands and creators here, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean your brands and the creators notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.